Today we are making whipped strawberry lemonade granita, a bright and fluffy frozen treat from the United States. It serves 4 people and takes about 3 hours 30 minutes from start to finish. Let us dive in and I will show you the whipped texture trick. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 pound fresh strawberries, hulled. Sweet and juicy berries are the base for our frozen treat. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. This will sweeten and help the crystals form evenly. 1 cup of water. We will use it to make a quick syrup. 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice. This brings bright acidity. 1 teaspoon finely grated lemon zest. It intensifies the lemon aroma. 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. A tiny pinch sharpens the flavors. 8 fresh mint leaves for garnish. Cool fragrance to finish the dessert. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the strawberries, remove the stems, slice them, and pat them dry so excess water does not dilute the flavor. Make a quick syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 3/4 cup sugar and 1 cup water. Heat over medium, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves, then take it off the heat and let it cool for 10 minutes. Add the sliced strawberries to a blender, then pour in the cooled syrup, 1/2 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, and 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. Blend until the puree is completely smooth. Strain the puree through a fine mesh sieve into a 9 by 13 inch rectangular metal baking pan to remove most of the seeds. Set the pan in the freezer, uncovered, on a level surface for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, use a hand mixer on low speed to beat the icy edges into the center for 30 seconds, breaking up any large crystals. Return the pan to the freezer for another 30 minutes, then beat again with the hand mixer on low for 30 seconds. Freeze for 30 more minutes, then beat one more time for 30 to 60 seconds until the whipped strawberry lemonade granita looks light and fluffy. Cover the pan tightly and freeze for 2 hours to set the airy texture. Before serving, use a fork to scrape and fluff the granita, loosening the crystals. Chill 4 small dessert glasses in the freezer for 10 minutes. Scoop the whipped strawberry lemonade granita into the chilled glasses, piling it high. Garnish each portion with the fresh mint leaves. Serve immediately. Keep any leftovers covered in the freezer for up to 1 week. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this whipped granita, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more delicious videos.